Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock phone gallery without any app. Let's get started. At first, go to your phone settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on app lock, enter your phone password, scroll down, click on gallery, successfully done.